nice to see you. Today we are gonna draw Princess Anna from Frozen. Subscribe to my channel and you won't miss my new lessons. Today we will need any paper, a pencil, an eraser, and something with which you will color. Now let's look at the picture. Our girl has the head, the hair, the ears, the dress, the arms, the legs, and the cape. Let's look at the picture one more time. The head, the hair, the ears, the dress, the arms, the legs, and the cape. Okay, let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is the head. Just spot on your paper you like. I will start over here, right in the middle. Draw a circle. Come around, come back, up to the top, and connect it. That's right! Keep on trying! Then we're gonna draw the ears. C-shape on the left side and backward C-shape on the right side. Then let's draw 2 dots for her eyes. The first and the second. U-shape in the middle for her smile. Our Anna has roses in her cheeks. Draw C-shape on the right side and backward C-shape on the left side. Getting better all the time. Keep it up. Now let's draw her neck. We're gonna draw 2 short lines over here underneath her head. The first and the second. Now let's draw the hair. Draw a big arc over here. Repeat after me. Then small curve on the right side and big curve on the left side. Then we're gonna draw 2 braids. I start over here from the neck. Draw a curve. Then draw another curve on the other side. I start from the ear, go down to the middle. Then draw, and so we draw 4 times on both sides. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and connect them. Then draw S shape over here and C shape on the right side. Then draw the same thing on the left side. I start over here from the neck, draw a curve down, then draw another curve on the other side. Then I draw 4 curves over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Connect them and S shape and C shape. Now let's draw a curve over here for the top of the dress. V shape over here for her V shape. 2 V shapes over here for the waist. The first and the second between braids. Okay, that's right, honey. and upside down V shape over here for the cape. Now let's draw the bottom of her dress. Draw a curved line on the left side and on the right side. Then connect them. The length of the dress is not to the floor. The princess' legs are visible. Now let's draw her legs. 2 vertical lines on the left side and U shape over here. And then the same step on the right side. 2 vertical lines and U shape. Now it's time for her arms. Draw 2 straight diagonal lines over here on the left side. 1, 2, connect them. And let's draw an oval for her palm. Now let's draw the same thing on the right side. 2 diagonal lines. Then connect them. And let's draw an oval for her palm. Now let's draw a cape. Draw a wavy line on the left side. I start over here. Go left and down and connect with the dress. And the same step on the right side. Wavy line and connect with the dress.
That's the way! I like your lines!
Then let's draw 2 curves at the top of her cape. Here and here. Now let's add some details for dress. We're gonna draw 3 flowers in the middle and on the sides. Straight vertical line in the middle for stem. 3 drop shapes at the top of the stem. 1, 2, 3. Then 2 drop shapes in the middle of the stem. 1, 2, and 2 drop shapes in the middle of stem for leaves. And let's draw the same thing on both sides. Straight vertical line, then 3 drop shapes at the top of the stem for flowers or petals, and 2 drop shapes in the middle of stem for leaves. And the same thing on the left side. Straight line, 3 drop shapes over here, then 2 shapes over here.
That's the way to go! You did it! You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram or Facebook. Take me in photo, Nanny Julie Art. I will see you drawing and answer to share your message. Now, let's color it together. You can choose any color you like.
The first step is tracing. Tracing and coloring inside. Tracing and coloring inside.
If you missed a spot, fill in it with color.
Now I coloring the cape and use violet color. Tracing again and coloring inside. And on the right side, Tracing again. And coloring inside. Tracing again. And coloring inside. Let's color over here. This is a cape.
Sometimes I color too fast. So, if you need extra time, you can always pause the video.
Now I use dark blue for dress. Tracing again. And coloring inside. Tracing again. And coloring inside.
Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it.
Then I choose light blue for sleeves. I'm tracing again and coloring inside. On the left side and on the right side. And then I choose yellow for this part of dress, violet for flowers, green for leaves, and this part. Tracing. Try to stay inside the lines. Black for shoes. Brown for hair. Tracing and coloring inside. Tracing and coloring inside. Tracing again. Tracing, coloring inside. And pink for cheeks.
Wow, your Anna's so beautiful. I like your drawing. You're so talented. I hope you had a lot of fun drawing and coloring with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Check my Patreon for cute coloring page and private drawing lessons for kids. All links to social networks in the description under the video. Love you. Bye bye.